Okay, so the chips that I was very curious about trying, the Koikeya Don Tacos tortilla chips, avocado salad flavor. Oh god, these are like so savory. Okay, they're pretty much like regular corn chips coated with a savory avocado salad flavor with a combination of avocado, onion, and vinegar. So, this is gonna be interesting. Oh my god. Okay, I mean, they look like kind of like regular tiny Doritos. They smell like regular corn chips, tortilla chips. Okay, I feel like this is gonna have like a very strong vinegar flavor. I'm hoping it's not gonna be like too strong, but we're gonna see how well these pan out, these taste. I mean, I like avocado. Not so much onions. A little vinegar is okay, but we'll see. We'll see. I'm gonna see. I'm not really getting like any vinegar smell to it. Just corn tortilla chips, but try it out and see. Okay, I know avocado's like flavorless. I don't really get any avocado taste to it, but I do get like the vinegar and a bit of salt. Not so much onion. It's supposed to get like a tortilla aftertaste, but I mean, they're not bad. They're not. I mean, it's like regular tortilla chips. Sometimes with a lot of seasoning on it. I don't know. I kind of expect like more of a stronger taste to it, but it's not that bad. I mean, avocado's like pretty flavorless, but I can kind of taste it a little bit. Ambulance. Oop. Okay, that bite kind of had more of an onion leaf flavor and vinegar. Ooh. It's not like overpowering or anything. Not that bad. I don't know. Like my expectations like these flavors are always like either kind of right or way off, and I was way off with them. They have like a strong vinegar flavor to it, and they don't, and I'm like not mad at that. But they're actually not, not that much avocado since it's like flavors. But don't get that much onion, but it's mostly just like salt, vinegar, and tortilla chips. I mean, I buy it again, I mean, I think they're sold out now at the time we filming this, but I'll still link it just in case, they're available again. And, I mean, yeah, I'm going to probably munch on these, like, all day today as a little snack. And, yeah, I will see you on this video, whatever that may be. Get weird. Very interesting.